Hello everyone. Today we are going to do create an array. So the common operations on array are first declaring, instantiating, initializing an array. Second, we have inserting a value. Third, traversing a given array. Fourth, accessing a given cell number. And fifth is searching a given value. Sixth operation is deleting a given value. While there are more operations, but these six are the main used common operations. So the first a part, that is declare. So what is a declare? It creates a reference to the array. Second, that is instantiation. It creates a array. Third, initialization. It means assigning values to cells in array. So we take a RAM which is having the memory blocks. Okay, so these are the memory blocks, or you can also call this cells. So what is a declare? Okay, so basically the declaration means creating the reference. रेफरेंस का मतलब होता है नेम. ठीक है, सो हमने एरे का नेम ले लिया ARR. यू कैन टेक इट एज AR, A, कैपिटल A. इट कैन बी एनीथिंग. ओके, second is instantiating means providing the number of the cells. So here we have 4 number of cells. Okay, so this is the first cell, this is the second cell, this is the third cell, this is the fourth cell. Okay, so we will understand in depth. Basically these are the 4 cells. Okay, and this is a reference variable which we have taken, and these are the brackets which indicates that it is an array, and these are the number of cells. Okay, these are number of cells. So what happens, every cell, okay, the cell has a memory address. Okay, we can call it as a base address also. It basically, the reference is created from the reference variable to the first cell. Okay, so its value will be, so for example the address is A101. Okay, so the address here allocated will be A101 plus 0. 0 is the position index. Okay, then in the second cell it will be base address, that is A101 plus 1. Third cell it will be base address plus 2. Then fourth it will be A101, that is a base address plus 3. Now the third point which we are discussing is initialization. So what is initialization? That is assigning values to cells in array. So it is a declaration, that is creating a reference variable. Then instantiating, that is providing the number of cells. So now what is initialization? Initializing means assigning the values to the cells. So it is cell number 1, cell number 2, cell number 3, cell number 4. So we assign the value 10, 20, 30, then 50. Okay, so now coming to the Java. So in Java, how we declare array? Data type. So what is data type? Data type can be integer, character, boolean, long, float. Then we write the brackets which indicates that it is an array. Then the name of the array, or we can say the reference variable. For example, int bracket then ARR, which we have taken as a name of the array. Now second point, that is instantiation. Okay, so how it is declared? Array reference variable is equal to new data type and then brackets. In bracket there will be size. Okay, so the reference variable which we have taken, that is ARR, is equal to new, then data type is int, and 5 is the size, that there are 5 number of cells. Then there comes initialization. So what is initialization? That is assigning the values to the cells. So it's a reference variable. Then in brackets we have 0, that is a position index, is equal to 10. So the 10 number is basically allocated to the first cell. Similarly, we have ARR1, that is position index 120. So the 20 number is allocated to the second cell, 30 is allocated to the third cell, and 40 is allocated to the fourth cell, or we can say the third index. There is also another method to declare, instantiate, and initialize the array, that is data type, that is int, then reference variable which we have taken ARR, then the bracket which indicates that it is an array is equal to the values which we are going to assign to the cells, that is 20, 10, 20, 30, 40. So by this we end our lecture. Thank you very much.